With multi-occupancy buildings, we have a number of assets which are coming towards the end of their shelf lives.
Most of the time when we get leakage and when the asset starts to fail, it's due to a corrosion problem.
To renew it, we have to put pipes on the outside of buildings, which causes customers, local authorities, land agents a lot of problems.
Traditional replacement takes time, it requires invasive works and scaffolding, which people don't want to see anymore. They expect a good customer experience, and to drive our customer scores up, we need to provide solutions that gets us in and out of the property as quick as we can.
We want to ensure that we are looking at alternative means of remediating or repairing the pipe as opposed to replacement, which will deliver a cost saving.
Using an epoxy liner for remediating multi-occupancy building gas risers is a fantastic option.
This technique was developed by Professor Brady for the American Naval Fleet, and it was used for remediating potable water systems and for sewerage systems. And we've taken that technology and applied it into gas distribution systems.
The process is pretty simple. The inside of the pipe is dried to begin with to make sure that all the moisture is removed.
It's warm, hot air, so it loosens any corrosion build up on the inside. Then we'll introduce a soft garnet grit through the airflow, which takes away any percolation off the inside the pipe, but it also leaves a little anchor tooth for the epoxy to stick to.
We mix the 2-pack epoxy in the right proportions, give it a settling time that starts the chemical reaction, and then introduce that into the airflow at various points.
What you can see here is the finished product that has been lined, and we've sectioned the pipe in half just to demonstrate the finish that we can get. As you can see, the lining itself is very smooth, which is good for its flow characteristics.
The great benefit of our technique is that we remediate the riser in place. So we're not having to drill through walls, we're not having to run scaffolding up the outside of buildings.
We can put the epoxy liner in, cure it, test it, make it safe, and leave almost on the same day. So we've gone from a solution that gives us weeks on site to days or hours on site. So all the customer sees is us turn up in the morning, apply the solution, we leave in the evening, and potentially they're back on gas that same day.